Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. Today we're going to do something special, right? In my travels I learned about this drink called Dawa, right? So the first time I ever had it, I was in Djibouti, and the bar I was in, they made it. At the time I didn't realize it was originally from Kenya, right? So it's a Kenyan drink. So recently in my travels I've been to Kenya. Dawa means medicine, right? And the original Dawa drink that's not cocktail related is like lemon, ginger, some turmeric, right? Some honey, and it's served hot. And it's used to make you feel better, right? The recipes vary, so if it ain't what you make it or how you've had it, then it's okay. I've had it in different places and it tastes different everywhere I went. But anyway, the cocktail itself consists of lime, vodka, sugar, and honey. What we're going to do is we're going to make it the traditional way, right? And shout out to the Nokers and your staff, Charles, Jackie, some of the best bartenders in the country, and the rest of the staff, Ruth, Paris, Victoria, and Big Deal. Anywho, oh, and Smiles. But anywho, let's get back to making a drink. So what we're going to do first with our glass, we're going to take a lime and quarter it. Right? Drop that in our glass. Next, we're going to take about two bar spoons full of sugar, or teaspoons. They use more of a unprocessed sugar over there. So next, we're going to get our muddler and muddle it. I want to get it started before we add the vodka and the honey. But as you can see, this is a real lime forward cocktail. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. Next, we got a Dawa stick. Dip in our honey. I want to give that a swirl, right, before I add the ice, because then it makes it harder to mix with the ice when it gets super cold. So give it a good swirl with our honey. Leave your stick in. Next, we're going to add our ice. Give it a little swirl as best as you can. If you don't overfill it like I did. Oh, now we're good. Cool it up. And here you have it. A Dawa cocktail from the great country of Kenya. Cheers. Wow. So good. So good. I've pretty much drunk it. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Thank you. All right. I was thinking, what if you don't want all the limes and stuff all in your glass, and you want just a smoother drink that tastes very much the same Dawa, right? So what we're going to do is keep it so that you don't have the limes and stuff in your in the bottom of your glass. All right. So what we're going to do is same thing we did last time. We're going to quarter a lime, 4 pieces. We're going to add 1 spoon of sugar. We're going to add 2 spoons of honey simple syrup. Right? Honey simple syrup is 1 part honey, 1 part water. Bring to a boil. Make simple syrup. But it's just honey flavored, not sugar. 1, 2. Let's get a good muddle. Struggling. And when you do your limes, you want to make sure they're whole limes. And I guess even if you wanted to, right, you can probably substitute lime juice, right, to your tasting. Same amount of vodka as last time. We're going to go 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. Going to get this good and mixed. Then what we're going to do is pour it in our glass of ice. Strain it and pour it. Right? Glass of ice. A strainer. There you have it. It's a straight Dawa, no chaser, no extra stuff, right? Enjoy. Yeah, it's just as good as the other one. And simple. Again, you want to make it even simpler? Just use lime juice versus a lime. But anyway, now once again, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Till next time, I'm out.